In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate scale in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside Bluebeam, of course, you want to open up your project and then you want to zoom in over here. So I'm just going to zoom in over here for you so I can demonstrate how to actually calibrate the scale. And then you want to click on this measurements over here on the left-hand side. So it's the ruler. And the first thing you want to do, you want to click on calibrate, and it's going to prompt you to actually select 2 points of a known dimension to calibrate measurement tool. So click on OK. And let's say this is going to be the dimension that we know of. So I'm going to click on the first button over here. So you want to click with your mouse here. Then you can hold down your shift key, so it's a straight line, and click on over here as well. Now it's going to ask us, as you can see here, kind of the scale, and the scale which I want is, for example, this one, okay? So let's say this is now correct. I can go ahead and click on apply scale, or if it weren't correct, for example, if it were like 45 or something like that, or 40, I could go ahead and just change this to 30 over here, and then click on apply scale. And after you do that, you can test if everything is fine by just going over here and clicking on this button top left, which will allow you to basically measure length, and then make sure you have it set to feet inches over here. And then you want to click on here first, hold down your shift key, and then click on here. And as you can see, this is now exactly how we did it. Now if I were to, for example, go calibrate again, and if I for example go and do a error over here, and if I put this to 40, for example, you'll be able to see that if I click apply scale here, as you can see, it's been applied and the scale has now been changed. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.